What probably keeps us going is hope. That's what allows us to fight when we feel like that nothing's happening. We still hope that we're going to be able to make a change, we're going to be able to make a difference. Hi, I'm Ambrose, I'm 15 years old, based in Sydney, and I'm part of School Strike for Climate. School Strike is a movement of young people asking our politicians and demanding that they take action on the climate crisis. We're trying to be heard, we're trying to have a voice. We can't vote, and this is the way that we can make a difference. In an ideal world, I'd probably like to be in a future where we're not having to worry about the looming climate crisis. I reckon the turning point for me for getting involved was seeing the first school strikes back in November 2018. And when I saw them, I realised that I could make a difference and that I could make a positive change in the world. And probably the main thing was that the people who were organising it were my age. They were in high school, they were in the same situation as most of us in high school, and they were still able to get involved, so I thought I may as well try it out. We organise strikes and different protests, but then we also do online courses for the climate in general. There's a whole bunch of different ways that you can take action on the climate crisis. And one of the simplest ways is individual change. You can go out and join your local climate group, try and speak to your local MP, post about it on social media, and get other people involved. Everything you do can make a difference, and I encourage you to do whatever you can in what capacity you can. Don't sit around and wait, take action now. We need it, the climate needs it.